Good day, everyone. Today, I'm excited to share with you 100 YouTube video ideas, along with short descriptions that can help you kickstart or expand your channel. Let's dive right in. 1 to 10. Educational content study hacks. Tips to improve study. Habits. Book summaries, key takeaways from popular books. Science experiments, fun and safe DIY science projects. How-to tutorials. Teach a new skill step by step. History in 5 minutes. Quick breakdowns of historical events. Language learning. Tips, easy ways to learn a new language. Explicable videos, simplify complex topics. Productivity tools review, best apps for staying organized. Math tricks, solve math problems faster. TED Talk reactions, share insights from inspiring talks. 11 to 20, lifestyle and wellness 11. Morning routine, share your productive start to the day. 12, self-care tips, ways to relax and recharge. 13, minimalism journey, declutter and simplify your life. 14, budget-friendly living, save money without sacrifice. 15, fitness challenges, document your fitness journey. 16, healthy recipes, quick and nutritious meal ideas. 17, mental health awareness, share personal insights and advice. 18, skincare routines, tips for healthy skin. 19, travel vlogs, share your travel experiences. 20, home organization, tidy up with practical tips. 21 to 30, technology and gadgets 21, tech unboxings, first impressions of new gadgets. 22, app reviews, best apps for daily use. 23, coding tutorials, teach programming basics. 24, latest tech news, discuss trending tech topics. 25, gaming setup, tours, show off your gaming rig. 26, smartphone photography tips, take better photos with your phone. 27, DIY PC builds, assemble your own computer. 28, gadget comparisons, which product is better. 29, VR game reviews, explore virtual reality games. 30, smart home hacks, automate your home. 31 to 40, entertainment and pop culture 31, movie reviews, your thoughts on new films. 32, reaction videos, react to trending content. 33, top 10 lists, favorite shows, games, or songs. 34, celebrity news, discuss the latest gossip. 35, trailer breakdowns, analyze upcoming movie trailers. 36, music covers, perform popular songs. 37, parody videos, create funny versions of trending topics. 38, fan theories, share theories on popular media. 39, gaming let's plays, play through video games. 40, meme reviews, review trending memes. 41 to 50, DIY and crafts 41. Room decor DIY, create custom decorations. 42, life hacks, clever solutions to everyday problems. 43, handmade gifts, personal gift ideas. 44, upcycling projects, turn old items into new. 45, bullet journaling, organize creatively. 46, seasonal crafts, holiday and event decorations. 47, art tutorials, teach drawing or painting. 48, candle making, DIY candles at home. 49, custom t-shirts, design and print shirts. 50, origami tutorials, fold paper into art. 51 to 60, business and finance. 51, budgeting tips, manage your finances. 52, side hustle ideas, ways to make extra money. 53, investing basics, start building wealth. 54, entrepreneurship advice, starting a business. 55, passive income streams, earn money in your sleep. 56, business book summaries, key lessons. From experts. 57, marketing tips, grow your business online. 58, freelancing advice, succeed as a freelancer. 59, productivity for entrepreneurs, stay focused and efficient. 60, e-commerce tips, selling online effectively. 6170, food and cooking 61, Quick recipes, meals under 15 minutes. 62. Food challenges, taste tests, and eating challenges. 63. Meal prepping, plain weekly meals. 64. International cuisine, cook global dishes. 65. Baking tutorials, cakes, cookies, and more. 66. Vegan recipes, plant-based meal ideas. 67. Restaurant reviews, try local eateries. 68. SNR cooking, relaxing cooking sounds. 69. Cooking on a budget, affordable meals. 70. Food hacks, clever kitchen tips. 7180. Fashion and beauty 71. Outfit ideas, style inspirations. 72. Thrift hauls, budget-friendly fashion. 73. Makeup tutorials, step-by-step looks. 74. Hair care tips, healthy hair routines. 75. Fashion trends, current and upcoming styles. 76. DIY accessories, make your own jewelry. 77. Closet organization, manage your wardrobe. 78. Skincare reviews, best products for your skin. 79. Seasonal looks, fashion for each season. 80. Wardrobe essentials, must-have clothing items. 8190. Motivation and personal growth 81. Goal-setting tips, achieve your dreams. 82. Vision board creation, visualize success. 83. Time management hacks, maximize productivity. 84. Overcoming challenges, share your story. 85. Positive affirmations, daily motivation. 86. Mindfulness practices, stay present and calm. 87. Book recommendations, must-reads for growth. 88. Journaling prompts, reflect and grow. 89. Public speaking tips, speak confidently. 90. Building confidence, practical advice. 91 to 100. Fun and random 91. Q in his sessions, answer audience questions. 92. Prank videos, lighthearted fun. 93. Day in the life, share your daily routine. 94. Bucket list adventures, try new experiences. 95. Pet vlogs, share cute pet moments. 96. Trivia quizzes, test your viewers. 97. 24-hour challenges, extreme fun. 98. Behind the scenes, show how you create content. 99. Unpopular opinions, share controversial thoughts. 100. Milestone celebrations, celebrate subscriber goals. Thank you for listening. I hope these ideas inspire you to create engaging and exciting content on your YouTube channel. Now go out there and make some amazing videos.